Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Just taking a walk down Avenida de Europa today. And what an absolute glorious day it is, actually. The sun's out in Benidorm again. I think the temperature is 22 degrees, I think. I have heard rumours that today it not even reached 28 degrees. So gonna be a hot day today. Got the cheap and cheerful bar just down there. Very cheap and very cheerful. That's done on Calais straight in. Make sure if you are in Benidorm and it is nice weather, keep yourself hydrated. Whether it's nipping supermarket and buying a bottle of water or something to carry around with you, or nipping into one of the many cheap bars here in Benidorm for a cheeky pint. Long as you're keeping cool. 24-hour pharmacy across the road. It is actually very hot, guys. Only watched the first episode of the new Bargain Loving Brits. Very entertaining. Had our friend Mark Ellis on. Good episode. Then of course, next week it's got our good friend Michael Marseille, who is the Bob Marley tribute here in Benidorm. So that should be an awesome episode next week. Then of course we watched the Rio Park documentary. Hate to say it, but we were very shocked to see that it hadn't really changed since when we were there. Breakfasts didn't look too nice, and the lifts kept breaking down in there as well. So even the documentary's making it look a bit of a bad hotel. 3B48 Soul Bar and Kitchen just there. Then of course Kebabish King. Oh, gracias. Hopefully now we've been able to block a few more trolls, my channel should be a better, safer place for people. Sorry if any of my followers have actually been caught in crosswords with these trolls. Hoping this parking sign up here will tell us the temperature. Fingers crossed. That's saying 24 degrees. So 2 degrees warmer than up by where we live. So should be a nice day. Might even take my shirt off later. Sunbathe on the balcony for a bit. Not sure yet. Just coming down by where the Ulster bus does pickups and drop-offs. Got a clinic just down there as well. Hope everyone's okay this week. I have heard a few of you are getting snow, believe it or not. And unbelievably, this time last year, Madrid was covered in snow. Yep. You ain't me right, guys. Madrid was covered in snow this time last year. Now, that seems weird, to be fair. Madrid being in Spain sounds pretty weird. Got the hotel survey group office just there, and that will be where I end today's video. So smash the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.